So would you be interested in living in the heart of Ventura with main floor living in a quiet gated community that's close to all of the best parts of Ventura? Well, then you're going to want to check out this video on Orchard Lane in Ventura, and stay tuned till the end of the video. I'm going to showcase a listing that's just coming on the market. Living in Orchard Lane is like being in the happy part of a Disney movie. There's a park-like setting, birds are chirping, there's beautiful trails and grassy areas, there's 2 community swimming pools, and it's just peaceful. Everyone we've talked to here really says they enjoy living here. It's quiet, just a great place to live. And it's worth mentioning as well that the ranch style condos that are here are hard to find in Ventura, especially at an introductory price point. Technically, these ranch style condos are PUDs, which means you own the land. If you have any more questions on that, give us a call. We'll be happy to answer them for you. But what it really feels like here is a community of duplexes. You're attached to one neighbor and you still have an HOA governing the whole area. And by the way, we found the HOA here to be extremely friendly and helpful, which isn't always the case with HOAs. You don't have to leave Orchard Lane to get a Zen park-like experience. There's all these beautiful grassy areas and trees spread throughout the community. You're a dog lover and you want to have a great place for your furry friend to be, Orchard Lane has got it for you. There's little dog bag stations spread throughout the community. Another great thing about this community is you're just a hop and a skip over to the Walmart, Trader Joe's, and off Victoria Ave. So many great shopping options, including one of my favorite places, the Green Thumb Nursery. If you're a plant addict, you will love this place. Orchard Lane is also right next door to Marion Cannon Park with basketball courts, a playground, and probably at least a 4-acre grassy area. Keep in mind as well that from Orchard Lane, you're not just within 10 minutes to the ocean and all the great beaches, but you're also 10 minutes to fantastic hiking in Ventura in the foothills at Arroyo Verde Park and Harmon Canyon Preserve, which are fantastic hiking trails. Now, as promised, let's check out a home for sale active today on the market, 1407 Vicksburg Lane. One of the things I love at first sight about this place is the double doors that open wide open and let in lots of light. We had a broker open house here today. Some of the feedback we heard that people love were the cathedral ceilings, the open floor plan. It's roomy, 1,262 square feet. And this is a bit of a unicorn for the neighborhood too. It's a 3-bedroom, which can be a little bit harder to find. You've got a spacious patio and your own lemon tree. There's so many great communities like Orchard Lane in Ventura. So if you're thinking of buying or selling a home, please give us a call. We'd love to help you.